everyone, welcome to another video. I hope you're doing okay. I hope your day is going well. This is very different compared to our regular videos, but I am just reorganizing our flat, and it's been very, I kind of dropped it there. This is just me trying to get the bed to be like proper, and then here's the final result. It was supposed to be, the bed was on the other side, and I was like, I do not like this, let's turn it the other way around to see the window, you know. And it's also been my birthday. It's been I had a lovely birthday, and also I did reorganize his pantry, or not, that's like an American term, his cupboards, let's just say. You would have saw that on TikTok, to be honest, but yeah. Hello everyone, so it's currently morning at the moment. I just had my breakfast. It's 10:22 at the moment. Currently, if you can hear in the background, my boyfriend's still sleeping. I gotta show you my space, where my computer's gonna go and how it's gonna work. You know, like what you're gonna see. You're obviously gonna see in the webcam, like, you know, the kitchen in the background, but it'll be more focused on me when it comes to streaming, I guess. Yeah, let me show you. Currently it looks a mess, but eventually all this will be sorted out. My boyfriend got me some headphones, a new keyboard, a mouse mat, and this cute little cat thing. That one generally looks like Marmite. Let me just move this out of the way. That one looks like Marmite. He has a black cat and a tabby cat, so this is all my stuff. Basically sprayed out everywhere. So I'm home now, and what's the date today? Oh, the 14th. The 14th of April, and basically this is how much we packed so far. Not much, but I've got like a whole box there of stuff that I need to pack, so it's like there's so much that needs to go, so yeah. In my brother's section, the old section of where I was before. Oops. I accidentally got the Siri thing up. But yeah, the walls are all painted, they're all new. Soon the floors will be gone. The flooring, I mean. No, I'm not saying that the flooring will be officially gone. I mean, like, they're gonna my parents are gonna change the carpet and everything, so yeah, that'll be fun. So I'm gonna do some packing. Hope you enjoy. Hello everyone, so we're gonna be looking into my personal hygiene kinda. I got a few bits, and some of these bits I already have, but this is for my moving out kind of hygiene kind of stuff that I need. So let's open it up. So at first glance, yes, I do have some thrush cream, because your girl gets thrush all the fucking time. But yeah, that's the first thing you can probably see. It's an internal and external creams, but we got some what do you call these? Tweezers? I can't remember. That's the second thing I have, is to pull out all my hairs and all the things that you don't need to know about. This is just some deodorant from Wild Deodorant, and I've got like a little 50% off. I would show this, but I'm gonna use it probably. I don't know if it's still in date, so we'll see. This is just a little deodorant thing, so yeah. And I don't know why this is in here. This is for the all-purpose spray, so it's a surface cleaner. It's basically for your kitchen. Anyway, to be honest, it's an all-purpose cleaner, so. And I got some 72-hour non-stop protection, because I need this because I'm going to be working and like you can't exactly put deodorant on, so you're going to put some spray on or something. I'm going to run out of space here. I have so much stuff to, you know, to say about. I've got a little mask in here, obviously that's needed in case. That's just the thrush cream. I don't know why I have two in there. This is for my nails. I tend to cut my nails all the time, so they're not cut at the moment, but in case, you know, just in case. Now we have two soaps here. I'm just gonna reorganize this just a little bit because it's kind of messy. It's gonna get messy if I move it around, you know. So I have 3 Dove soaps for my armpits. And this is a flamingo. I got this from Superdrug, I think. It's a hairnet thing to when you're like treatment for your hair and you put it over your hair with this. Yeah, so then we have deodorant refills, deodorant refill. Then I have a face mask. I'm gonna get some more of these because I need them. My skin gets very dry sometimes. Yeah, it's Garnier to be honest. And yes, I have been listening to Taylor Swift. That's funny. Yes, I'm gonna put everything away. So the next segment, I'm not sure what's gonna happen, so we'll see. I have got some Dove body wash. I haven't bring it upstairs yet, but I will eventually. Gotta be organized, I guess. I'm gonna have to put this in here. These, and yes, I do get chin hairs sometimes. It's like a feminine, masculine kind of thing. But yeah, I don't know what the next segment's gonna be, but this is just my general hygiene kind of stuff that I need. Anyway, see you in the next bit. Hello everyone, welcome to the budgeting segment of Hannah Diaries, I guess. I just got the A7 binders or wallets or whatever you want to call them. We're gonna open this. By the way, I'm Hannah, by the way. I am a content creator. I like to do a lot of things on this channel, to be honest, so keep that in mind. But yes, let's open this. It is by, I think it's a Chinese company that make these. So I hope that these fit. In my wallet, I've already made some cards over here. What I want to put in these. They're quite tiny. They are so tiny. I might need to get some scissors and cut them a little bit smaller, but this is my A7 binder. This is my purse, technically. I've switched over, so there's my ugly photo in the that's just my ID. I'm gonna actually see how these fit. Now I know that mainly Americans use these, but I think can use them if in the UK. I don't know. Oh, I just got a notification. Sorry, my phone's just loading up. I'm trying to put these in. Hold up a second. I would have done this myself, but nah. They have little holes that you're supposed to poke them through. So, let's take. I'm just so gentle. It's like, ugh. It's not ugh. I don't mean that. There was a little thing on me, on my finger. Let me try and shove these in. Okay, this is gonna. Sorry for the notification. I just put 6 wallets in here just to sort it out. I'm gonna put my little things that mark it off, I guess. To make sure I know which one's which, to be honest. I'm gonna actually cut these a little bit tinier. Let me get my scissors. There you go. There you go. And just a little bit tinier. I know I should put them like all across there, but I don't want to do that. So I do need to fit money in there, so. These are quite tiny, as you can see. I'm going to put going out in here. So that's swimming, this is going out. Obviously, I will stuff these eventually. Now, will this fit in here? Will it fit? Did I just close it up? No, I didn't. That is way too big. That'll do. It's number 3. Now, vet bills. Vet bills. I have been sorting out my binders just a tad bit. This is too big, I think. I tend to sort them out regularly. There you go. This is my cheap way of doing things. So that's vet bills. We have to put coffee in here. I'm gonna put that at the last. Maybe I should turn them around. I didn't think of that. Oh, I just turned it off. Because how am I gonna open it? And it's gonna be like the other way around. Be opening it the opposite way. No, is that correct? I don't know. I honestly don't know. Okay. Let me just quickly turn all these around. I gotta check if like £20 notes will fit in here, because I don't exactly know. I will have to fold them up, I think. So let me have a look. I'm gonna actually put the coffee in here. Put that in there. Okay, that's too, the width of it is too good. There you go. So let me check if this looks good. check. So my card is in here. I can take it out. I can take it out. And oh god, the little bits came off. Then I can go through here and do swimming or whatever. I should really put swimming at the front because that's what I would normally do. I can put coins in here, but I put like a separate purse. There's already £1 in here anyway. I think the little ball things are coming off. There's a £1 in here, I think, and I can't get it out. Here you go, it's right here. This is for my swimming. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I would get a normal purse, but this looks more interesting. So we have coffee, hobbies and crafts, vet bills, clothing, going out, swimming. Looks good. This binder looks good. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you soon. And take care. Have a good day or night. Bye.